whilst Willy is with his grandma, his car will stay in the house.
Wow, what a car! Whilst no one is at home, I suggest we go for a ride. Great idea. We are jumping. Raph, you're as slow as a tortoise. I'm coming. Leave the best place free. Full speed ahead. Guys, remember Willy also took us out in the car? Yes, but it's much more interesting doing it ourselves. And now let's do a twist called a pair. Someone's coming. Hide. Mikey, hurry up. I'm coming. Guys, help me. I think I'm stuck. Oh, no! Someone undo the seatbelt.
What are the toys doing here? They need to be put away.
Oh no!
Guys, there's Donatello. I'll go there now. Why are you guys taking so long? Were you lost? I'll tell you now. Mum put me in the box and closed it. And then... Stop complaining. Get in. Is everyone here? No. Stop. Someone is coming.
How strange that the car is here. And where did the tortoises come from?
Safe journey. What a great trip.